Hello friends, so today we are going to Bangkok, Thailand. Wala pa akong tulog. Natulog ako sa Grab, pero sobrang babaw ng tulog ko. Sana okay pa tong buko ko hanggang mamaya. So my flight is at around 9:40 a.m. Boarding ko is 8:55 a.m. It's currently 6:06 a.m. So, from Manila to Bangkok, and then mga 6 p.m. sa Bangkok, magpa-fly ako to Krabi, and I'm gonna stay there for about like 3 days, and then go back to Bangkok for work, spend time with Bangkok na up until 21st. So, yeah. So, come with me as I'll be traveling again. Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me well, but I'm gonna go na sa Krabi. This is the bathroom. Kakauwi ko lang. Para akong galing London, galing ako hindi ko alam kung saan ako galing. Isipin nyo ha, from Philippines, nandun na ako sa airport ng mga 6 a.m. And then, ang flight ko ay 9 a.m. Nakarating ako ng Bangkok ng mga 12 or 1 p.m.-ish. Tapos, sobrang haba ng immigration. And then, from Bangkok, nag-Krabi nga ako, which is, ito na yung Krabi. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa Bangkok kasi I was super haggard na talaga, like, super pagod na ako. Gusto ko nang matulog. Wala pa akong tulog. Wala pa akong maayos na tulog. Ang tulog ko lang talaga is, yung airport, yung airplane. Sa airplane ako natulog, guys. Imagine that. 3 hours pa lang tulog ko, and then 5 minutes kanina. Kasi papuntang Bangkok to Krabi, it will take 1.5 hours, and then 5 minutes nakatulog ako. Tapos parang power nap ko na siya. And kailangan ko na matulog ngayon. Maliligo lang ako kasi para tuyo na yung hair ko tomorrow. Kasi gusto kong mag-mermaid curls pa din. Anyway, dami kong gustong sabihin sa inyo, guys. Anyway, it's currently 10:51 p.m. and I really need to sleep. I need to freshen up na. But before that, I need to open my luggage kasi guys, yung luggage ko kanina, nung chinek ko, parang bukas siya. Parang inopen nila, be. Kaya ang bigat eh. Inopen nila to kanina, kaya stress na stress ako. Anyway, sa eSIM ko, nag-eSIM lang ako dito. So, bili lang ako iklok ng eSIM and then na-activate ko siya nung na-land na ako dito. Sobrang easy, guys. I'll put the link down below kung gusto niyo mag-eSIM kapag magta-Thailand kayo. Buong Thailand na siya, magagamit niyo siya. Hindi lang sa Bangkok, but anywhere, basta Thailand. Tapos nag 7-Eleven. Mamadaliin ko na to, guys. We went to 7-Eleven. I bought probiotics and cup noodles, which hindi ko alam kung magagamit ko siya or machuchuga ko siya ngayon kasi nga, alam mo yun, kailangan ko na itong inumin. Everyday ako nagpo-probiotic kasi para siya maano din yung mga kinakain mo since bagong country to. Syempre kailangan mong mag-ingat. Actually, hindi lang naman sa country. Kaya dapat pagka bago yung mga pinupuntahan niyo. Para yung mga germs, mga bacteria, matsuba niya. I'm not sure if tama yung mga ina-explain ko sa inyo. I'm going to freshen up for a bit and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. May island hopping tayo tomorrow. We're gonna visit 5 islands. Makikita nyo lang yung island na pinunta namin, which is mas maganda kasi hindi ako tok ng tok. Parang ganito. Kinukulat ko rin yung bangs ko kasi why not?
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, it feels like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer.
Very long word.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we're here at...
Can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, that heat, I feel like summer. She feel like summer. This feel like summer.
Lao Lading Island?
Lao Lading Island.
Yes,
Okay.
Lao Lading
So
Island.
here it is. It's so beautiful.
But it's a lot of many people.
Yeah.
That is easy.
And then the previous one is Hong
Island.
Lagoon.
Hong Lagoon.
Right? Correct. I just got back. I'm sorry, wala akong masyadong vlog, but I have clips kung saan kayo pumunta, pero hindi siya kompleto. Why? Because hindi na maganda sa eyes ko yung iba. Like, mas maganda yung sa Philippines, but I know, of course, gusto niyo pumunta dito. Apparently, hindi ko siya nagawa. Mag-dinner ako. Ang kakainin ko ay ito. Tsaka yung KFC na binili ko kanina. Namaya, pakita ko sa inyo. Mag-init muna ako ng water. Oh, nagpamassage nga pala kami kanina. Tapos sa night market, bumili lang ako ng usual, which is ref magnet tsaka shot glass. Sobrang init lang dito sa Ponsiri, guys. Ito palang resort na to. Ang pangalan niya ay Ponsiri Resort. Kung saan sobrang daming monkeys. Tapos, sobrang init. Nagpamassage ako. Worth, I think, how much ba yun? 400 baht. It was fine. But, mas gusto ko kasi yung massage dun sa Timog. Basta, yung sa Timog na massage, I really love. Doon ako nakakatulog. And ako lang ba, ayoko kasi talagang minamassage or tinatanggalan ako ng lamig sa likod. Kasi, sobrang sakit niya sis. Sa akin lang ba yun? Kasi, parang ako lang yung nagre-reklamo. Kaya nakakaloka. This is the sauce. I think ito yung mga. Tikman natin. Guys, sorry. Hindi pala naka-record. Ito nga na nakain ko. Manghang. Tsaka KFC wings. It's hot. Normally, nauubos ko to. Ba't kaya ito hindi? So today, I'm here na sa Bangkok and nandito na rin ako sa Hilton Hotel, which is super duper lovely. It's really giving. It's giving hotel vibes talaga. Baka mag-rest muna ako kasi gusto kong matulog. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas ako today, pero kasi work to, so ang dami talagang workmates dito around the hotel kasi lahat kami dito nakastay. I'm going to fix myself, but before that, I'm gonna do a quick room tour. This is such a nice hotel. This is how it looks like from afar. And I'm just gonna freshen up a little bit. Wala napakita sa inyo, may TV pala. Ayan, may TV din siya. So if you're planning to stay here at Hilton Hotel, eh di magstay kayo. Kita nyo na yung itsura, charot. But, if you're planning to stay here, I think malapit to sa mga luxury shopping malls. And yeah, meron silang plancha. Oh, a robe. What else? What is this? Blower. A vault. And yeah, that's that. So, ayun lang guys. Hindi ako masyadong kapag-vlog sa Krabi. Para lang siyang El Nido, to be honest. But, syempre, it's giving different vibe. For this week, ano lang kami talaga, more on meetings and activities. Kaya hindi rin talaga ako makakapag-vlog. Today sana pwede ako mag-vlog. Pwede ko kayo isama if ever man pumunta ako sa mga malls. Baka pa mamaya, malay mo naman, hindi ako tamarin. Let's try this macaroon. Macaroon ba to? Macaron. Double O ba yun? Let me just wash my hands first. Wait, let's try this. Oh my god! It tastes so good. I'm not even kidding. It tastes so good. But may something sa gitna. It's like, I don't know, red bean. I don't know. Malagkit siya. That's why they are like doing this. Because it's malagkit. Kailangan ko nang kainin kasi ano siya yun? May expiration date. It's so good. How about this one? Let's try. Oh my god. This, wait lang. Too sweet. Tamis, sobra. Oh, this is good. This is very nutty. Yeah, this is good. I like it. Love it. I'm just gonna freshen up and talk to you guys later. Guys, I just got home. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Basta kanina, biglang nagkaayaan. Tapos wala na akong time para maligo. So, sabi ko kasi maliligo pa ako. Kaso nag-iintay sila. So, nakakahiya naman kung papaintay yung person. So, syempre, hindi ako naligo. Nagpabango ako ng bongga. Kasi kagabi pa ako naligo. Alam nyo yan. Kasama ko kayo sa vlog. Anyway, super fun. It was actually fun. I didn't expect na mag-enjoy ako. Buti na lang hindi oily yung aking yung buho ko kanina kasi puro araw talaga. Bakit palang ilaw? Or normal nyo to? Hilton? Talaga. Tsaka ba't ang init? Ano to? Oh, that's the Look at that. That's the ilaw. Foyer. Guys, I'm gonna ligo first. I need to practice my spill kasi mag-host ako eh. And, to be honest, ang idilim. Lagi na lang madidilim sa sa mga hotels. Pero kagabi, ay dun sa Krabi, dun sa hotel namin sa Krabi, it's actually good lighting. It's just that it's so hot, to be honest. Kaya para buksan ko pa yung ceiling fan nila. Malaki kasi yung room, kaya siguro ganun. we ate a lot of foods. Actually, hindi na ako kumain ng madaming foods kasi nagda-diet ako eh. So, first, pumunta kami sa Michelin store na hindi ko na maalala kung saan. I'm so sorry, but I'll put an insert a picture here. It's actually good. Masarap siya kasi mahilig ako sa maanghang. So, if you guys are really into spicy, well, definitely pumunta kayo Thailand kasi this is the place to be. But I don't think na, ito na yun, parang Michelin eh. So, syempre, your expectation is really on top, diba? Pero 1 star lang naman siya. But, yeah, I feel like masarap siya. Pero may pero. So, hindi siya, for me, it's not a Michelin, you know what I feel like you're getting me. And then the second that we went to was, nag-boat kami. Nag-ride kami ng boat. It was fun. Naglibot-libot kami sa Chinatown. Very, very nice. Iiba talaga yung Chinatown natin dyan. So, sobrang delikado. Parang mananakawan ka ganun. Doon naman, of course, you need to be cautious din sa surroundings mo. Kasi, pag di ka cautious, syempre baka manakawan ka din, diba? Pero, it was just busy. As in, super busy niya. Like, super daming foreigners. And then, meron silang trinay. It's at a spicy squid, grilled squid. It looks really nice. I wanted to try it, but I'm so shy to dig in, you know. It was so fun. I didn't expect na ganito yung mangyari sa first day ko. I actually made an itinerary before coming here kasi nga ako lang mag-isa. Feeling ko wala akong kasama. So, I tried my best to like, alam mo yun, ilista yung mga gusto kong puntahan. Dapat mag-grocery ako and all for pasalubong and stuff kasi I just wanna buy some spices. Kasi nga gusto ko yung maanghang. So, syempre, kuha tayo ng sili dito. After that, we went to this restaurant that is really pretty chill din. It was beside the river. And their curry is good. Really good. I don't usually order curry. But, alam mo yun, kahit di ko siya gusto. Pero, ang end up ko is nag-order pa din ako ng curry. Kahit alam ko ayoko ng curry. But, I tried this kind of curry. It was so spicy. It was so good. Kasi parang siyang soup. And I feel like, kasi hati-hati yun eh. Pero kung akin lang yun, I can like, i-soup siya. Kasi super sarap. It looks very, very red. And at the same time, it was so rich. Super sarap. Di siya yung typical curry natin dyan sa Philippines. Like, the yellow one. It's not like that. Feeling ko, naka 10,000 steps si ate mo, girl. Let's see. So, I don't use Strava. I'm using steps. Kasi nirecommend ni Claude to. So, I think I need to catch up sa PBB natin dahil hindi na ako nakakapanood 2 days na and pang 3rd na today kasi pumasok daw yung mga ex-housemates. It's just 9,000 steps. Can you see that? We just walked for like 5.8 kilometers. 5 km! Woohoo! Charot. Pero grabe, 5 km lang yun. Felt like 100k steps. Charot. It was so tiring, but it was so fun. Buti na lang naka New Balance ako. Super duper walkable talaga siya. Kasi kung samba to, nako, baka sinumpa ko na yung Thailand. Guys, bumila ko nito. Tikman natin siya. Pag nabuksan ko, sobrang fan ako ng wasabi flavor. Actually, pasalubong ko to sa pamilya ko. Oh my god, I should get a lot. Magugustuhan na ito. Oh my god, ang sarap nitong bread na to, guys. It's giving wasabi. Like, ano siya sa ilong ko. That's what I like. because I have a lot of hair products and the bouncy bangs will be removed. Okay, hindi pwede maging bouncy and all throughout. Hindi ganun yung pinipeg ko. Ang pinipeg natin dito ay corporate style. Ganon. I think I should put this. Good morning, everyone. Today is our first day of work. I'll be working later on. I have a meeting, upcoming meeting at 1 p.m. and I think 2 p.m. meron akong kasunod na meeting. Magkaibang meeting sila. So, let's get it! Guys, I ordered McDo for lunch because tinatamad akong mag-explore. Kasi nag-work din ako eh. Anyway, mamaya pa yung meeting ko, na-cancel yung una. I ordered french fries, curly, crispy fries. And then, this one, chicken. Let's try it! I'm so excited. Guys, super laki ng chicken nila. Teka lang, lubat na ako. Tikman na natin. Eek! May lubat na, wait. Hala. Guys, look! I have stuff that I can't show you actually. This is super duper, I don't know her, but let me try to open it. Hello everyone! Today, hindi ako nakapag-vlog because I'm too busy working, but ito nga, binigyan ako ng shell goodies. Let's unpack it! Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, doon po ako nag-work. Oh, anyway, I'm talking to Summer. So, sobrang sweet namin sa isa't isa. Nagsisleep call kami every 2 days na. And nagsasawa na ako. Kaya hindi niya alam, binababa ko talaga siya. Kasi, masisira yung battery ko.
Ayan, narinig na kita.
Ayun, tas magbabathtub lang ako, which is ginagawa ko na ngayon. Hindi ako makaligo kasi, daladala ko si Summer. Hindi ako makaligo ng maayos kasi iniintay ko yung ice bucket ko. Kasi, kailangan ng ice pag water, syempre. Ito yung ano. That's that! And then we can actually, yung blinds, I'm just gonna, yeah. And, diba? It's giving the vibe. It was really, really exhausting today. Kasi sobrang talagang dami kong ginawa today. Like, ang dami kong nakausap na mga tao, ganyan. Kanina dapat pupunta ko ng 7-Eleven. Para bumili ng mga chips. Baka bukas na lang akong bumili ng mga chips para pasalubong. Actually, pasalubong ko talaga siya. Tsaka, syempre, gusto ko ng mga chips dito. Kaya lang, kanina nagutom ako. So, kumuha ako dito sa hotel ng Pringles. Which is hindi masarap kasi plain. Ayun, kumakain si Summer. Pag kumakain ako, kumakain din siya. At magdadalawang rice pa nga siya.
Hi, vlog. Hello.
A while ago, nag-breakfast ako, pero like, lumalaki na yung mukha ko. Kaya bukas di ako magbe-breakfast. Sarap ng foods dito, be. Lalo na kung mahilig ka sa maanghang. Perfect. Ng 7-Eleven. Anyway, I bought something sa 7-Eleven. Okay, let's start off with this. I think this, I don't know what's, ano to, Pero nakita ko spicy and I feel like para siyang yung bento. So, I bought that. This one, of course, the bento. At syempre yung hot and spicy lang. Ito kasi parang mas spicy siya. So, madami ako nabiling ganito for, I think, 40 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, each. Not bad. Binilang ko yung kapatid ko ng ramen. And I think wala, may soup to na maanghang. Ano nila to? Parang, siguro ramen nila dito. Tapos ito din, ito naman tuyo. So, hindi ko naman binabasa. Basta bibili lang ako at wala akong candy. Kasi parang all throughout this, you know, commotion, parang kailangan ko ng candy. Tapos, kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng chili spices nila dito. Kasi nga nakakita ako sa 7-Eleven. Kaya bumili na rin ako. Hindi ko alam kung makakita pa ako bukas or sa mga next days. Pero kung meron man, bibili akong marami ng ganito ko. Dahil, chunky bite size na Knorr. I'm not sure. Feeling ko wala tayo nun sa Philippines. Pero parang meron. Ito, ghost pepper. Hindi ko alam kung sobrang anghang nito. Pero, let's try and test it. Parang feeling ko na-try ko na to before. Pero parang hindi siya maanghang. Parang mas maanghang pa rin yung samyang. So, let's see if there's any changes. I bought ramen for me. Ramen for me in case na magutom ako dito. Tapos, ito din. Ghost pepper pa din to. Carolina pepper spicy chicken. So, search it if you wanna know kung gaano to kaanghang. Pero alam nyo naman ako at si Summer ay mahilig talaga sa spicy. My daughter. And of course, probiotic. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-probiotic kasi hindi ako nakapag 7-Eleven but I think I need now. Pero nakakapag-chuva naman ako every morning. But I need it. While I'm gonna taste this one. Okay, nasira na siya. Ang sarap niya, be. Dude, ang sarap. Kasi diba yung sa atin, parang medyo konti lang yung laman. Actually, hindi medyo konti talaga. Delight pala to, guys. Ito lang, busog ka na. I'm not sure if I can vlog ng Friday, Saturday. I think this is gonna be another hotel vlog. Hilton is really nice. Para ko nire-review yung hotel. It's just that it's a work trip. So, syempre hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi work. So, ayun lang. Today was fun. Mas exhausted ako kagabi. Tinatanong nila ako ba't ako exhausted kagabi kasi siguro nag-host kasi ako kagabi sa isang interview session with the vice president. But yeah, that's what I did that's what I did yesterday. That's why I feel like I'm exhausted. I just passed out after. Bakit mo ako binabaan mo ako kagabi, no? And then, so, kausap ko lang sa Summer kagabi, tapos nakatulog na ako as in sobrang pagod ako. Pero ngayon, medyo mas madami kaming time to do something. That's why, kanina, yung mga ka-work ko nasa baba, mga guys, mag-iinuman pa ata sila sa bar. Anyway, this is the most, expensive haul that I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm not sure if magugustuhan ni Summer, but I got an award! Hello everyone, good morning. This is my last day here in Bangkok. Nilipat muna ako ng hotel. Pupunta ako ng Visa Hotel. I'm not sure if yun yung Arise. I woke up pretty early today because something happened. I was about to rebook my flight yesterday, but hindi ko magawa for some reason. Hindi ko siya ma-navigate ng tama. And like, Pal asked me to like contact their customer service, which is sa via chat. But of course, sobrang busy din namin kagabi sa work kaya hindi ko rin nagawa. Gusto ko na talaga umuwi sa totoo lang kasi I think this is one of like the most worst travel. Not because of Bangkok. It's because of something happened nga at home and I can't do anything about it because I'm here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm just fixing my stuff. Actually, 0 pa yung na-fix ko. And today, I think I'm gonna go to Pratunak Market. I wanna go to Big C, to be honest. Kasi I need to buy something from Big C. Like, gusto ko talaga puro food yung mauwi ko. But let's see. Syempre, tsaka mga mga inhaler, mga Tiger Balm. I'm gonna do that as well. Sobrang busy talaga namin. For the past few days, I've been just so busy. Like, sobrang hectic talaga ng schedule namin. And to be honest, malapit ako magkasakit. Feel ko tumaba ako dito kasi kain kami ng kain, besh. Oh, yung fridge nila, free lahat. As in lahat. I want water. Let's get that. What else? Robe. Yeah, yun siya. Simple lang siya. And it cost me like 3,000 pesos. May complimentary fruit. I'm gonna go down and maybe shop.